Find a comfortable, safe place to sit or lay down. Start one of the breathing techniques. Closing your eyes, bring your focus onto how your clothes feel against your skin. Notice how your shirt feels on your front and back. How your shorts, pants feel against your waist and legs. How your socks and/or shoes feel on your feet, or, if not wearing any, how they feel resting against objects. With your focus on your feet, start to take notice of your internal feelings. Starting with your toes, take note how they feel. Wiggle them a little if you wish. Do they feel at ease? Cramped? Notice the arches of your feet, the tops of your feet. How do they feel? Move up to your ankles. How do they feel? Rotate your ankles to loosen them. Now slowly work your way up your body and take notice of how each part feels. Are your muscles tight or loose? Is there any pain? Remember to take notice, but do not judge. Next, focus on your lower legs and your calves, which are becoming known as your second heart. How do they feel? Move up to your upper legs and thighs. Are they relaxed? Sore? Tight? You are starting to get the picture. Slowly move through the rest of your body, taking notice to how each area and part feels. Is it relaxed, sore, painful, tight, etc.? If you find your muscles tight, focus on relaxing them. You can even relax, tighten, and relax them a few times. Take your time to move up to the top of your head. Once you are finished, stay and relax for a while, or bring yourself back to focus with your eyes open.